come with me to work on and off. So I got ready, went on the highway, you know the vibes. We got to LASHGOD, the most magical place ever. Look how beautiful it is in here. I literally forget every time, and it always amazes me when I walk in. There's Dobie, my little reception bae. Here's the hair girls doing their thing, and here's all the beautiful supplies. Nail area is literally so cute. Here is the bathroom. I love it there. Little fit check. Here's the lash area. This is where I usually am working. More behind the scenes of the bathroom. Another fit check. Then Cece kept me company while I did a keratin lash lift. Turned out so amazing. Look at these beautiful results. I'm obsessed with it. After this, I want to take my nails done. So Rosa cleaned them up for me. We got this like little dark gray, green, blue color. I literally am obsessed with this color. It might be a new favorite. This is crazy, but I was feeling spontaneous today and I literally chopped all my hair off. I have been wanting to cut my hair for so long and I finally pulled the trigger. Via Hair God had some time and I was like, let's just do it. Look at these results. I am so happy I did this. I am so obsessed with the result. I literally want to go shorter, I think. This is a bag of my hair. Like, oh my god, I cut so much off. I am so happy with it. It looks amazing. Sophia Hair God did her thing. Check her out. She is incredible. It is now home time after getting pampered all day. I'm saying bye to all my little girlies. Thank you for watching. Bye. Mwah.